Today we're going to be having a look at these. A set of 10 chandelier lights from the pier. So while looking for Christmas lights, I found these. We haven't done a weird set in a while. This is a modern set of lights and they look atrocious. They wouldn't look out of place in Pat Butcher's living room. I teased on the community a picture of Pat Butcher and said I've got a set of lights that wouldn't look out of place on the end of her earlobes. And this is the set. It's a set of 10. It's got a little bit of wear on the box. There's not much on it. On the other side we've got some particulars. You love to see information like this. We've got 1.35 meters or 1350 mil of lit length. It denotes it goes in a line and not a circle, which is good. 2 spare bulbs. Overall length just under 3 meters. Made by the Pier in China. The Pier Retail. Never heard of them. If anybody's heard of these before, let us know. We haven't got much else. So it doesn't tell us any particulars about the bulbs and the replacements for the bulbs, but it's a set of 240. Well, on here it says 230. And there's 10 of them, so they're 24 volt bulbs. Let's open them up and see how glorious they are. Oh yes, these look quite new. The plug still has its card on it. 3 amp fuse provided. We've seen this plug many times. Let's have a little look inside here. Oh, our chintzy shades are coming off. What's on our plug? Premier decorations. So this is drop shipped. So I'm trying to think what other set of lights Premier did that were a set of 10. I know they have done them before. May 2007, would you say that is, folks? Looks like it to me. Here's our spare bulbs we need. 24 volt, 1.08 watt. So the fuse bulb is the same spec as the normal bulbs. Catalogue number RB2401. I'll have a little quick look on eBay and see if we have those. So you can still get spare bulbs. Not that we need them. We have our 2 spare bulbs and a tool to remove them, which is great. And in here, 10 chandelier shades. Again, it gives us our bulb specs there on the pier. Alright, let's have a little look at our chintzy shades. So, they're quite ornate. They are plastic beads. So there are 12 strands. This is plastic. This ring is plastic. The whole construction is plastic. As for the lights, the gaps are not very long in between the bulbs. They're quite a generic set. Not too dissimilar from Noma lights of this era. So prong bulbs, but I've never seen an internal construction like this before. You can see that. You've got your standard 2 prongs in the bottom that you normally have, but then there are an additional 2 that pull the strand up. Can you see those 2 thin ones there that pull the filament up? So it's obviously got quite a lot of lit area. Let's plug these in. They're on the dimmer plug for now. And there we go. So just got them on low now so we can see that really long, interesting filament. Very unique bulbs. Very unique. I like these. Right, let's turn it up to full power. On full power, they are nice, low, warm glow. They're not stupidly bright. Fuse bulb is very odd. It's a little stubby thing. Let me just turn that down again. It has a similar construction to the other bulbs, but this one only has one singular extra filament holder in the middle. So very weird, very strange, but we like weird and strange. Our bulbs, they slide in here like that, and then I assume they just pull up and they grip. And there's our chintzy little chandelier lights. What a bonkers set of lights these are. They're not particularly Christmassy, they're more of a novelty set of lights. But I was glad I could share them all with you. Very interesting bulbs. Interesting shades. They are definitely Pat Butcher's earrings. They're quite satisfying. But let us know what you think about these in the comment section below. Didn't pay much for them. I think I paid about £4 for them, and I don't think they've been used. They don't look like they've been off the box much. But yeah, I've got some nice chintzy lights here. A couple of the shades have come off, but they're not hard to put back on. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'll put them up somewhere at Christmas, I would think. Yeah, I like them. Let us know what you think down below. Do you like them? Do you hate them? But there you go. There's our 10 chandelier lights by the Pier. The actual lights are made by Premier. They're from 2007, so they're almost 20 years old. Not quite vintage, but they're not far off. Only got another year to go. And they are vintage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And let's turn the light off and see what our refraction is like for these lights. So more shadow than refraction, so they do give off a nice effect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you all on the next one, and hopefully get another weird set of lights on the go.